In this video, I'm going to walk through how to use project templates and how to set them up as well. Project templates can be really helpful for you as a peak body, so you can set up a template in your database and then it's there. You can make changes to that template as well. So down the track, you've set it up for 2024, perhaps you need to make some adjustments for 2025 or 2026, and you can continue making adjustments to the templates. So also with templates, we've got two options where it's just for your own internal library. So for your peak body organization with TidyHQ, or you can actually share a template to your connected clubs. So this can be really beneficial if you want to share a project that they can follow to use in their own organization and tick off those tasks as they go. So let's head into the projects in TidyHQ, and we're going to head into this template section here. So you can see I can already have a couple of templates set up, and you can see here I've got labels, and then it also will display my logo. So you can see the peak body here. It will always display my logo here. Okay, so these are all our current templates. It's very easy to identify your templates. As you can see, there will always be this purple highlight here to say that it is a template. These templates will be visible to all your admins within the peak body. The one at the very bottom here that we have for onboarding a director checklist, this one's actually available to my connected clubs. As you can see, we've got the shared module showing here. So that means I've shared this template to my connected clubs, so when they go into their templates, they'll be able to see that and they can copy it to their own project and use it. So how do you set up a template? It's really easy. Head over to this new template section here. It's the same setup as setting up a project. It will just say that up here you are creating a new project template. So you can go through and add the requirements for the particular template and then click create template once you're ready. I'd probably suggest not adding a due date. Once you're ready, you'll hit the create template button, and then you'll head into the tasks to start adding the tasks for that template. All these tasks will be available on that template, so if they copy it, they'll be able to copy all those tasks. They can go ahead and also add additional tasks to that template that you have. So as you can see, I've only set up one task here, so I could go ahead and use this template and then go add more tasks to it. I'm just going to add a couple more tasks to this template, and then we'll head over to the next steps. So I've gone ahead and added a couple more tasks for my club health check. Now what I need to do is click this copy as a new project here, and if I click on this one, it'll redirect me to this page where I will copy the project, and it will ask me if this is going to be internal or a connected one. So am I going to share it with another connected club, or is it just internal use? And you'll see at the bottom here, it will copy these 5 tasks down here. For this example, I'm just going to run through the internal one. I'll click create project, and then you'll see all the information here. So now I've created that project for my template, and then I can go ahead and start making any adjustments that I need to do. So adding in the year as an example. Okay, so now we've just walked through on how to create a template and how I can copy that template for an internal or connected project. I'm going to walk back to the template section and show you a couple of other features. So what else is included in templates? So as I mentioned, you can share your template with your connected clubs. So as an example, I've got this one down at the bottom here that is already shared. So how do you share it? You simply click into the template and see these 3 little dots over here. So you've got a couple of options here. You've got duplicate template, edit template. I've also got the ability to stop sharing that template. So if I no longer want to share that template, I can stop sharing, and then I can also archive it if this template is no longer needed. So I'm going to stop sharing it just to show you what it would look like. So we'll head back, and you can see now that it's no longer being shared. Okay, so perhaps I needed to make some adjustments and then I'll go and reshare it. But you can make those adjustments still and it be shared and it will be updated. So it's like a live template that sits in there, and any updates will remain in that library for you and the Connected Club. So let's head in. I'll go in again and we're going to go share that template. Cool. Now it's all available. Now I'm going to share another template. So let's just say this template association reporting. We'll head in. And let's say I want to share this template as well, okay? So now you'll see this template is now shared and accessible to other organizations. I'm going to go step in as a Connected Club so you can see what it looks like from their end. And we'll head into our template section. All right, let's head into templates. All right, so you see we'll be directed to all templates. So you can see these are my templates here. And then I've also got a connection with another peak body. So I'm connected to 2 peak bodies, which generally wouldn't happen, but for our demo environment, it does. So you see here down at the bottom is that peak body we were working on before. So these are the 2 ones that we've shared. So the onboarding director checklist and the template association reporting. So me as a Connected Club, I can actually come in and I can actually go in and have a look at this template, and I can copy it as my own project. And then I can also add additional tasks and work on it from there. So you're just allowing them to have access to some templates that they can work on as well. So if there's any templates that you think might be helpful for them to have in their library, then I would suggest using project templates. And that is how you use project templates.